Hi, this is Matt from funeraltemplates.com with a quick tutorial on how to edit your funeral prayer cards. I'm using the pink rose design, and as you can see there are 6 images on the first page, which is the front of the prayer card, and if I scroll down to the second page of the document, there's 6 more images. This is the back of the prayer card. We'll start by editing the photo, which you can do by selecting the photo, right-clicking, and then selecting Change Picture, or under your Picture Format tab, search for the Change Picture button. Select the picture you want to insert, click the Insert button, and this will insert the photo in place of the other one. You can now repeat this process, right-clicking and changing picture, or using the Change Picture tab, and selecting the same picture for the rest of the front of the prayer cards. Once you've finished changing all the photos, you can now edit the text. To do that, click on the text, select the text, and then change the name. You can also do the same for changing the text below the name, and then you can copy and paste it to the other templates. To do that, select the text, right-click and copy, and then select the next prayer card's text, right-click and paste. Now that all of the photos and text is the same on the front of the prayer cards, we can repeat the process on the back of the prayer cards. Again, you can just select the text, highlight the text, delete it and add your own text, and then copy and paste that to the other 5 templates. If you accidentally move the background image like this and want to get it back into the position it was before, you can go to Layout, click Align, Align Center, and then Align, Align Middle, and this will make sure that the template is exactly where it should be. This is important so when you're printing back to back or double-sided, you want the back of the prayer card and the front of the prayer card to be exactly lined up, otherwise it won't print the way it should do. To buy this prayer card, click on the link in the description below the video, or go to funeraltemplates.com for more designs.